What you'll get. 6 5-ounce bars of Tom's of Maine Natural Beauty Bar in Lavender Shea scent. Wash away germs. Cleaning your hands with natural bar soap helps wash away unwanted germs and bacteria. Gentle on skin. Tested by dermatologists to retain your skin's natural moisture. Paraben-free soap. Moisturizing bar soap made with organic botanicals like coconut oil. Take care of yourself naturally. Tom's of Maine bar soap contains no artificial fragrances or preservatives and is not tested on animals. Top reviews from the United States. Great for eczema skin. Great for people with eczema. Bar turns into squishy mess quickly if not stored on soap dish that is completely open, such as mesh.